how you can help maximize the value of your personal injury case. This is a common question I get when I'm doing my intakes, and I just want to make a video about it so that I can help everybody. The only thing that you can do, really the only thing that you can do to help your lawyer maximize the value of your claim is to get treatment regularly. So if this is a car accident case, you will have an accident benefits claim, and in that accident benefits claim, you will be provided with the ability to get treatment. You'll get referred to a physiotherapy clinic, and we'll need you to go to treatment as regularly as once or twice a week. That's going to be a very big part of your case because your lawyer will use the records and reports from your physiotherapy clinic to substantiate your injuries. It's not enough to go to examinations for discovery and just say, hey, listen, I'm injured, I've got back pain, I've got neck pain, I've got a concussion. You need to prove that you have those injuries by getting the medical treatment, and obviously there'll be medical reports with that, which your lawyer will use to substantiate your injuries. Now, if you have a slip and fall accident, you're not going to have an accident benefits claim. So what you do in that situation is if you have collateral benefits like a Sun Life or a Manulife policy, then you will have some treatment available to you. It's very important that you get that medical treatment. Otherwise, the insurance company is going to say, well, you had the ability to get treatment. Why didn't you get treatment? And therefore, we're not going to pay anything for your care cost claim, because that's a part of a lawsuit is whatever treatment you need into the future will form part of your future cost of care claim. But if you don't take advantage of your treatment, through your collateral benefits like Sun Life or Manulife, then you will not get those benefits, or you will not get that compensation in your lawsuit. So in a car accident context, you need to make use of your accident benefits claim. In a slip and fall or trip and fall context, make use of your collateral benefits. If you do not have collateral benefits, then if you're able to pay for treatment out of pocket, please keep all your receipts. If you cannot get treatment out of pocket because you can't afford it, that's fine. Go to your family doctor, visit your family doctor, and tell him or her about your condition, and hopefully he or she will be able to make a requisition for physiotherapy. Usually it'll come in the form of a document that we can use in the lawsuit to substantiate your need for treatment into the future. So hopefully that's helpful, guys. Again, the best way to help your lawyer get you compensation in an accident is to get treatment or requisition for treatment. If there's any questions, give me a call.